Hi, welcome to the tutorial of how to make a GIF. So a couple programs that you're going to need are going to be GifCam.exe and also GIMP. Now there's other programs that could possibly work with this. These are just two free options. Other programs may even be less of a headache, to be honest. So basically, you're going to want somebody or yourself to create a video. And then once you have the video, for me, for instance, I had somebody send me this one. So I'm just going to open up this video here. And now I've got this sweet video that I want to get a GIF of. So what we're going to do is take this and size it out to about what the character is, right? And now I'm going to let it play through once and make sure that I stay in frame this whole time, because you don't want it to accidentally go out of frame. All right, so now that we know it's going to work out good, I'm just going to go ahead and click record and then play. And we're going to let it play through here. And then right once it gets to the end, we're going to hit stop. Hit stop. And so there we go. Now we have a GIF that's been recorded for 78 frames at 10 frames per second. So now I'm going to save that. And I'm going to save it as awesome GIF, because those are the only kinds I make. Save. And you're going to notice it goes through the process. And then we're going to close out of both of these. And now we're left with GIMP. Now, once we're in GIMP, we're going to open up the file that we just had. Okay, and it's going to open up. Now, once it's opened, you're going to want to go to Filters, Animation, and Unoptimize. And now this will take some time depending on how long the video is. There we go. Now that we are unoptimized, we're ready to start working on it. So first things that I'm going to do is just slowly undo some of these layers until I get a natural color. And because I know that I recorded longer than I should have, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete those layers. Now that you've got your video trimmed down, going to zoom in and start doing the real work of deleting the background off of every frame. And some pictures are easier than others and some are harder. But you basically just want to go in. And one thing to remember is that it's always better to erase a little too much than it is too little. All right, so now that you've got the outline done, it'll be a lot easier to switch into a larger size and finish erasing the rest. And there we go. Now we have one frame out of 32 frames or so of this animation. Rinse and repeat. I'm going to finish these and we'll get back to you once we're finished. So now that you've got all of your frames with the background deleted out, you're going to want to go and turn all of the layers back on. Now once all the layers are turned on, go to Filters, scroll down to Animation, and Optimize for GIF. Now this will take a little bit of time, just wait for this to finish up. Now that the GIF is optimized, go ahead and select File and Export As. And now in here, you're going to want to select where you want to save it to and label it what you would like, .gif. After it's named what you would like it to be named, click Export. This will bring up a prompt. I don't know if you need to do this or not, but I do interlace. You do need it as animation. You do need to click that. I do loop forever. And I bring down this delay between frames to 10 milliseconds, and then I export it as such. Once that is exported, then you can go over and bring it into OBS. And now that I'm in OBS, I'm just going to go ahead and import it as an image because it is a GIF file. So therefore, it is just an image. We'll import that. Press OK, and there we go. We have Nitro there just jamming out on the guitar. Thank you so much.